What's going on, man? Y'all see the kid back with another video. Further ado, this is what I've done. Feel me? Put the insulation in. I'm finna patch these holes up. I don't care for nothing too professional. You feel me? So what I did, I'm finna use this mesh. Oh, that's for my soldering because I got to do some wires too. But yeah, I'm using that. You feel me? To patch up the holes. Solder this. You know what I'm saying? Solder all that back. Same for the other side. Nothing too major. For the people that don't follow me on Instagram, I actually picked up all my interior. You feel me? So this go to my door panels. That's inside the house because I cleaned it. Got my headlights. I got another pair over there. Got my door handles. Got my whole dash and the wire harness for the inside of the car. Got my car seat. Got my panels. Of course I'll be installing this and I'm actually painting these black. I got this dye to keep it from, you feel me? I mean, if y'all know about the fabric stuff, y'all already know what I'm trying to do. But yeah, man, I got all of this stuff. I got my center console. On today's video, I don't know what I'm gonna be doing like the whole gist, but I know what I'm actually doing. That don't make sense, do it. So I'm really doing is patching these holes up, wiring the soldering my wire, and throw my dash in, and that's gonna be like it. Yeah, and I want to thank everybody for supporting too, but let's hop into the video. Alright, this is like days after, like weeks I'll say. Really been like a week and a half, because I didn't record when I actually finished it. So that's the product. It's hella hard here. Same thing. Let's see. Oh my god, I did not know it was water over here. I'm glad I came. Same right here. Hard. Like I said, I ain't looking for no professional look, just to cover up the holes. And I really got to spray paint this with that rust preventive paint, and she'll be good. Till next time, y'all.